In this clip, I will demonstrate how to enter your own data in SPSS, how to open an SPSS data file, how to use the frequency procedure, and how to use the crosstabs procedure. You will also get a brief look at the 4 commonly used windows of SPSS: the Data Editor window, the Output window, the Chart Editor window, and the Syntax window. I will open SPSS by double-clicking on the desktop icon. I will first demonstrate how to enter your own data. If I close this dialog box, I will get a blank Data Editor window. You can enter your data here either case by case across the variables or variable by variable down the cases. It is your choice. I'm going to enter some data with 2 variables. The first 4 cases in the data are male, represented by 1. So I will type 1 and then enter. The next 4 will be female, represented by 2. Now by default, SPSS assigns the variable a name, VAR00001. This is not very meaningful, so I would like to change it. Go to Variable View, click on the old name, and type the new name, Gender 1. Gender 1 is not a scale measurement. It is a nominal measurement, so I will change it to nominal. The rest of these options, such as width, decimal places, labels, and value labels, will be covered in a later clip called Variable View. Now I would like to enter my second variable. Go back to Data View, and this variable will be a string variable. So I will type in male and female. And as you can hear, there is a beep noise when I try to type a 5th character. To change this, go to Variable View and change the width to 6 characters. I will also change the name to Gender 2. You might notice that since Gender 2 is a string variable, by default it has the alignment of left and a nominal measurement. Go back to Data View to finish entering the data. The next item I will demonstrate is how to open an SPSS data file. I will go to the shortcut button Open, and the file I want I will navigate to. I would like to open MathAssess SPSS format. And as you can see, the file extension is .sav. But we will talk more about other file extensions in another clip called Open Files. From the Windows menu, you can see the file is opened in a new Data Editor window. We could go back to the other Data Editor window where I entered my own data. Now, to demonstrate the frequency procedure, I will click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. All the variables are listed here on the left. I would like to analyze Q1, so I will click on it and click the arrow. If you need some other options such as statistics, charts, or formats, you will need to click on these buttons. I want a pie chart, so I will click on Charts select a pie chart, and continue. I have everything I need here, so I will click OK. The output window is where the results of my analysis are placed. If I want to edit something, I will double-click on the part I want to change. I will double-click on Frequencies and change the name to Frequencies of Question 1. Click outside the box, and the change has taken place. Charts can also be edited in the same way. If you double-click on the pie chart, the chart editor window opens. And here's where you can change things such as colors and titles, but we will talk about this in a graph editing clip. In the Windows menu, you will see that we have 3 windows. The output window is the active window. The data file that I made earlier and the MathAssess file are non-active data editor windows. Any of these windows can be saved as long as they are the active one by going to File and Save As. Now I will navigate to where I would like to save my file. And I will call it Question 1. And you will notice that it is saved as a .spv for viewer files. Now, to demonstrate the crosstabs procedure, go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. The crosstabs that we want to analyze has Q1 as the row and Gender as the column. We also want to select some statistics, and for this case we will select chi-square. And continue. There are several other options for cells and formatting, but these will be covered in a later clip. I don't want the crosstabs done right away, so if I want to look at the commands, I will select Paste. This opens the syntax window. It is similar to the old way of writing an SPSS program. The syntax window can be saved by going to File, Save As. But now I would like to run the analysis, so go to Run and select All. Here are the crosstabs we requested and the chi-square test. Now you know how to enter your own data in SPSS, how to open an SPSS data file, how to use the frequency procedure, and how to use the crosstab procedure.